wonder how, I wonder why. Naunta ko'y totoy pero gamay.
Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I could see was just a devil.
Minsan natikman ang init ng iyong halik. Akala ko narating ko na ang ulap sa langit. Sa aking pagpikit, ang tanging naisip, ikaw na sa hanggang wakas ang aking pag-ibig. Ngunit biglang nagbago ko, hindi na madama kapag kapiling na kita. Nananabig ka na, bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Na ang akala ko ay langit, nilaro-laro mo.
Ang kwarta, mura maniglagay, dili lang may huyutan o gamay.
Lo, asa ka?
Ha? Asa ka? Si ano? Malibang! Labi-labi na dyan kayo bising malibang. Kinanglan na dyan ako may paibaw ni mo. Grabe na makakasiluso, oy!
Nanguta na lang.
Bising malibang, kinanglan ipaibaw.
Oh, don't cry, my baby. Don't cry. I'll give you some barbecue. Oh, my baby, I'm just joking. No, please. Hello, everyone. This is for my baby and cooking. Yes, his favorite is sunny side up. So I'm cooking right now. And then I prepared 2 hot dogs. Of course, for my baby and me. And after that, of course, this is our also favorite. This is a dried fish, bulan. I love it. And then I have to put it in it. And then I will add the rice for our fried rice. I have garlic. And then after that, the rice. And press it very hard. That's like that. Because my baby really want to eat a fried rice. Fried rice is very delicious. And now I have this boiling water for our coffee. But of course, this is for the breakfast. Wedding breakfast of my baby. Do you like it? I'm ready, my baby. You have to wake up right now because I'm preparing breakfast for you.